Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. A little bit of delay between this video and the last one. Apologize. Things have been really busy here lately. Had to work a lot. Anyways, we're back at it again today, though. As you can tell by the title, something is up, and it's some people that have watched this channel for a while probably know by now. I am having an issue right here. My valve cover is cracked and broken right there. And so today we're going to take this valve cover off, take it to my buddy Scotty's shop, and he's going to weld it back for us. This is going to be difficult because he's not really positive on how well we're going to be able to weld this, but I know you can do it because people have done it. But we're going to have to clean the hell out of it because it is painted wrinkle black. So yeah, this is gonna suck. But anyway, we're gonna take this off now, go ahead and get it wrapped up and get the engine wrapped up so nothing gets inside of it while we're gone. And then we're going to take this thing over to Scotty's. So go ahead and start on this. And it is at this moment that you guys can see exactly what our problem is. All right, so we've got this taken off. We're gonna go ahead and try and go get this cleaned up and get it to Scotty. All right, got the engine covered up, and I guess we're about to roll out. See if Scotty can't work some miracles on some old cast iron or steel or whatever the hell it is. Steel, anyway. All right, got my refreshments, got my snack. Now we are inbound to go hang out with Scotty. All right, Scotty, what are we doing?
Trying to fix your fuck up.
Fix my fuck up. I did tighten it a little too much. All right, so cleaning it up, trying to make sure that there's a good clean area to weld, otherwise it's not going to weld very, what's the word, strong?
Well,
clear,
good.
Clean, pure.
It's probably not going to weld with shit anyway.
Alright guys, so the weld isn't necessarily the prettiest because there was a lot of contamination because this thing was covered in oil, and I just needed it to work in there pretty good, pretty quick. So either way, it's welded in. We now have the gasket all the way on, and so now we're gonna go ahead and slap this boy on there and put it back together. Alright guys, so that is it for that. Valve cover is on. Valve cover is welded, and we are nice and sealed and smooth. So that is going to probably do it for this video. Another shorter one, and go ahead and try and push this one out for you guys. If you have any questions for me, link it down into the comments below. Hit me up, see what what anybody has to say. Some stuff to be on the lookout for. Hopefully, if all goes well, we're going to be bidding on a new salvage vehicle, or not new, but we're going to be bidding on another build, and that'll be our first foray into putting back together something that has been hit. Yeah, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully that goes well. And then we're also going to be putting this thing back together next week. We've had record heat here. Heat index today is like 110 degrees, so it's really hot. It's hard to spend a lot of time out here, guys. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you all have a great weekend. You'll probably be watching this on Sunday. And yeah, so peace out, man. Have a good one.